hell do they mean I'm coming? What? I started making my own game and this is the, oh my god, you know. I don't know why, but I'm a bit sick. That was a bit embarrassing to subscribe to myself. Well, now you guys know that one of my subscribers is just me. So, and I actually just proved. Bro, what the heck is going on with my thing? Okay, so there should be a live stream. I started, yeah, 3 minutes ago. Yeah, but there's a new one. There should be a new one. It says it's been live for like 33 seconds. Oh, it's still restarting. Damn, I guess this does affect it a little bit. I mean, I thought by now it would have been like at least a better internet, cause like I do some like at the beginning of the day. What the heck, bro? What? By the way, this is my brother's WhatsApp, so like I don't really know what the heck. So like I guess his friends are just random things. Oh, hi Pickle Dot. Hope you're doing good. Oh yeah, I'm just testing out the stream works. I guess you just proved it. Thanks. By the way, if the stream is please inform me. So that would be pretty good. I'm gonna be using devlog to do this. It's a pretty popular no-code thingy. Now, actually, yeah, cancel because I didn't really change anything. Now, actually, I might as well show you guys. These are the games that I was just learning how to use stuff. Like, I don't know, whatever this thing is. Top-down movement tutorial. Yeah, I was trying to learn some tutorials and stuff. So this is how I was, well, learning and stuff. Now, the current one, for some reason, it's called Dangerous Play. Did that just pop up? What? What pop up? Pop out? Do you mean like the chat? Like the pop out, like button that makes it go here? Is that what you're talking about? That sounds good. Gravity. Yeah, everything. I guess I can change this to 700. Apply. It's I at most. Okay. Thank you. I had to behave. Wait, what am I doing at behaviors? I'm going here. So we're gonna draw the character now and how he looks. I mean, I think 20 by 20 pixels would be pretty good, yeah. Okay. So I think I should make it so it's like basically just me, but somehow I have a body instead of just a square with limbs. So what the good for new people, but if you want to learn more stuff faster, I recommend Unity or Unreal Engine. Yeah, but those require like way too much coding, and I started learning like a week ago, and this one, bro, I literally am already seeing games that are almost better than Unity and Unreal Engine and stuff somehow. And like they're not really better, but they're basically the same thing, and it's perfectly fine. Like, it's perfectly fine and good. That's too many. Too many what? No, I don't want 3D. Wait, what am I doing right now? He's not going to be looking at us. It's like a left and right game. Yeah, that's like shadowing. Okay. I don't know if you know this, but like there's a delay to the chat. So if you chat something, I won't see it until 10 seconds later. Because I don't know why chats and YouTube do that. But hey, why am I complaining? I mean, I should be complaining, but hey, I don't care. Uh, the pixels. Oh, 20 by 20? That's too much to make the character. No, when I said 20 by 20 pixels, I meant like the head. How many? Like when you do this, if you can see like at the bottom right of like the screen, you can see that it says how many pixels, like by what it is. And I need space to work around. Like if I want to do it so he swings a sword, I gotta have space to animate the sword. This means so that you have the game look appealing, the amount of pixels for everything. Actually, there already are pixels. Like you choose the size. It's not just 10 seconds or maybe 20 seconds or more. Oh, 20 seconds or more. Okay. So like, see if you see the grids at the background, those are each like how big the pixels are. So like 20 by 20 isn't the whole like screen and how this looks. For the game to like, I think if the game is gonna feel like appealing and good, the head. Yeah, this is the head. This is my head. If you like, I'm a box head, bro. Like, have you not read my name yet? Look. Wait, let me make myself some eyes. I'm gonna fill these in, by the way, so I'm not gonna stare at your soul for that long. Oh, it's not gonna look like that at least. For long. I think that's good. See, this is the head. And then I'm gonna make like a little coat for myself so I don't have to animate for the legs and stuff. Because I don't want to have to animate too much. Even though I'm pretty good at animation, I still think that it will be a little too hard. Cause it's so hard to animate stuff in this, dude. I know. I've made tons of games. I've already better at that using less pixels and working more on how characters look. So do you mean like the pixels by pixels? Do you mean you want it to be smaller? Do you mean like the head should be smaller? See over here, it types 20 by 20. You know what? Okay. What you just said. Hmm. Maybe right here, I'll add a coat. And then like maybe, okay, so what you just said, basically in the future, like let me learn on my own because like right now, I don't understand what you mean by that, and in the future, while doing this, I'm probably gonna realize, and then I would go, oh, that's what he meant, you know. I like the color purple. The background of my current profile picture is purple because I kind of like the color purple. I'm not gonna lie, pretty good color. I mean, I don't know. I don't like. I think you're friends with Saw. I actually don't know. He said you message on Discord. So I don't know if like you know him. Like he's pretty good at animation, and to be honest, he actually taught me a few things. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Hmm. Bam, make it a little darker and add some depth. And then make it a little more darker. And then add another thing. And then make it a little more darker. And then add another thing. And then make it a little more dark. Oh, okay, this is just a repeating pattern now. So I'm not even gonna say what I'm about to do. Bam! That actually looks pretty good. No, just the amount of pixels you needed to make a character. Well, even though it's gonna be pixel art stuff, yeah. I mean, I still don't really understand what you exactly mean. But if you mean like, Sawzle? Yeah, Sawzle. If you mean like, to make it appealing, you need to use less pixels and like make every pixel look like this, and then this is the head, and then like this is the body. Like if you meant like, okay, you know what? I don't want to say what that looks like, but yeah, if that's what you mean, then I guess I understand, but I also need more pixels to work with when I'm animating. Cause like then the head needs to be a lot of pixels. So like for animations, if I'm like, I don't know, chop my head off. Okay, that's gonna get me demonetized on Google Play. But whatever it is, I need more pixels to work with. Like to make this animated and make it flop around, like continue with the wind and stuff. It will need to go like this and like roam around and not just like, oh, pixel, 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 pixel. That would be a little like too hard to animate and to make it a more, well, good looking, I guess. Wait, was this the original color? Oh yeah, it was. And then this is the more darker. Mm. Wait, is this even? Oh no. Oh my god. It's not even, bro. Okay, you know what? That's an easy fix. I guess I can just do that. Good enough. Oh, wait, what button do I need to like equip that? Oh, okay, so I just need to equip O whenever I need to use it. Okay, good to know. It's actually easier, or I guess based on what I had. I guess like it's easier if your whatever you're using is like doesn't need much animation. But for me, I want to like make it really like animation styled and well like appealing and stuff or whatever you said. So yeah, like I want to use more animation and depth, and a few pixels isn't gonna make that happen. Oh no, that was the wrong tool. I feel like this whole live stream is gonna be drawing because, like, all I need to really get done right now is the drawing, Actually, I'm just gonna draw this guy, well, like the idol pose, and then I'm going straight to making him like be able to walk around and stuff. That would be more smart to do, actually. How many pixels away? One, two, three. What am I doing? I think I could do right here. And then from here to here. And a paint bucket. Well, I'm that case, go for it. But it will take a lot. Well, oh, in that case, I think you meant. Go for it, but it will take a lot. Yeah, actually, no, because all I have to do is draw one character, and then if I need him to turn the other way, I don't have to redraw him. I just gotta copy and paste him and do this. So it actually won't be that big of a deal. So like I just gotta draw him once and then just change him a few times. And there's a lot of tools that I can use to do that. I want to make this side be more closer to the left, more open to the left. I think that would be pretty more logical than giving depth on like what direction he's pointing to. And that this is the like left side of his body. Wait, since I'm drawing like the coat open, I should probably like think about what he's gonna look like from the inside. I guess just I mean, I don't know, like a purple guy wearing, I guess like a guy wearing purple and black, I don't know. Or I can just fill it in with black and hope that makes sense. Probably doesn't, but since this is probably makes sense that this is not his, that this is his whole body, I think I should probably, wait, what? Yeah, as I was saying, I think I should probably make it so he's halfway, like right here. This is where his body comes to, like an end. Like this is his waist, I think. So I just fill that in because that's just his body. I don't really know what they actually are though. Like I don't know if they're supposed to be um like a wheels inside. I don't know. So I don't know if they're gonna be stick figures, actual like look like I don't know if they're gonna actually look like humans. So yeah. I know you can do that. Every game dev app software lets you do that. The point is more pixels is more unnecessary work unless if you're in a situation you're in a need to animate a lot. Yeah, I do need to animate a lot cuz if I were to animate, I might as well give you an example cuz I can just control Z. I don't know if you heard of that. But basically, I could literally just go if you for an example, if I'm working with like this kind of these kind of pixels, then if I make a new frame and then I do the same thing but a little bit more up, and then because this is more pixels, but then like I can actually animate them going like this. But then if it's only like pixels, this is a pixel and this is a pixel itself, then I'll need to animate like this and it will look less animation or lifelike. I don't know. something like that. And then I can't go like a little bit more up and then a little bit more up. I have to go a whole like 5 pixels up. That's why I'm working with smaller pixels so I can make it so it's more appealing like that. So yeah, I hope that's a good example. Can you show me some of your animations real quick? Okay, let me save that. Do you mean like animations outside of my devlog, like outside of my training on this app, or do you mean like some of my animations that I actually have like on the PC and stuff? I mean, okay, I guess I should probably not reveal this actually. It's pretty important, so I'm not gonna reveal it, but I am gonna reveal you some hints to what it is. I guess. I don't know. I guess you just pull out what you can from what you see on the screen of my animations. Wait, let me pull you up right now. That's the best explanation I've ever heard from you. So fair point, I guess. I don't know. How do I hide this? You know what? Never mind. This is really old. So if you see something bad, this is so old. Like this was from a year ago, 2 years ago. Imposter, and I run away, and that's the end of it, and it loops. I had never ever did anything that good, but this is my first good animation ever, like on this app, because this app is pretty hard to animate on. So I guess it's better because it's really sped up for some reason, and it's better if I just spam the next frame button, because then you'll like see more of it. I guess I can play it, but it will be really bad. It can barely be seen. Later. 5 frames. Oh, what? I don't know what I was doing in this. Okay, I'm gonna show you outside this app because this app I barely did like most of my animations on it. Oh my god, why do I have so many apps open? Um, I mean I have no private information, so I might as well open up my actual PC. Like literally oh my god, I have so many less space left. Okay. E I don't really know what's after this actually. I don't know where I put my animations. Screenshots? I don't know. Definitely not screenshots, you know. You're done for. What do you mean I'm done for, bro? Those are animations were like from 2 years ago when I first installed the app. I only animate on Flip-a-Clip and stuff. So I have Flip-a-Clip, but I don't use the one on my PC. The one on my PC was just to transfer. Wallahi, you're done for, bro. Wait, are you Muslim? I mean, the Arab cat might explain it. I don't know. I think I have that. Wait, I think that exact Arab cat is my wallpaper right now. It's not from you though, cause my wallpaper isn't circle. But I don't know, but I think it is. I don't know where I keep my. You know what? I'll show you my Adobe animations. I'm screwed. You just doxed your when from the files. When? What? Uh, wait. Did I actually? What do you mean? What do you mean I doxed my IP? Where is the IP, bro? What are you talking about? There is no visible IP. Maybe a little bit. There is no visible IP, bro. What were you talking about? I actually I actually believed you for a second there. What am I doing right now? I should get back to doing this. Instead of taking a while thinking about how the legs look, I'm just gonna do this and then a little space between them. And then I hope that's good enough. Nah, I'm just messing with you, bruh. I actually expected that, not gonna lie. I expected you to say that. Okay, that's a little bit out of out of the direction. I guess these are the legs. I don't know. And then I can. I guess. Yeah, that still looks like about the right size. Wait, when I did this, how many pixels was that? 7 by 4. Okay, that's good to know. 7 by 4. Heck yeah, that looked good. How about you add no legs and make the clock? Make the clock over it. What clock? What are you talking about, bro? Yeah, that makes it easier to animate. Maybe 2 pixels of legs. Clock. Oh, wait, do you mean like this thing? Okay. Actually, smart idea. Hmm. Oh, shoot. Okay, you know what? That's an easy fix. I'm playing while waiting. Wait, what? So there are a lot of more grammar, spelling mishaps. You're probably gonna say mishaps. Mishaps wrong. I said this wrong, but not mishaps. What, do you think I was gonna say mishaps? I don't know. I mean, actually, respectfully, I actually, like, when I messed up at this, I was like, I should not mess up anymore. And I started to think about them. And that's why I didn't mess up this, because I wasn't trying to read fast. I was trying to read good. So, for what you said, I will bring this over here more. Yeah, right here. There we go. Why does that actually look pretty good? I actually like it. How about when he walks, legs appear? I don't know. Because I want him to, like, somehow appear like he's running. Because, like, I don't want him to just, like, be floating. I probably look so stupid right now. I mean, I wasn't thinking that, but whatever you say, I guess. I so badly just want to add, like, just a small little legs right here. I actually, wait, I think I, like, in school in recess, I was like, wait, I might as well, like, I was like, okay, I should probably stop saying like. I drew a few reference pictures of the character. I'm gonna go pull them up. I went to the other room and then I realized that they were literally behind my chair. I just realized that my backpack was behind my chair and I went to a whole other room. Well, that was a waste of time, I guess. I found it! This does not look like what I ended up doing. Please no, just make the clock move around his speed. Oh, okay. I wanted to do like a cool animations where his legs go this way a little more. Actually, I can make it to make it more like he's running. I can make it so he like he go he he like moves like this, you know. I don't know what I'm saying right now, but I want him to like like he's well losing stamina, let's just say that. Okay, save. So that was all just for an example on how we're gonna make him. Oh my god, he's so small. Oh yeah, the blur thing. I just gotta fix that. So it's not actually like a fix. I already know. It's just like a feature that they added when you use a lot and like way too much pixels, and it's basically smooth the image if it's a lot of pixels. But since it's not that many pixels, I have to get rid of it. Smooth the image feature. So once I'm done with that, now apply. I guess I might as well. Yeah, I'm done. Now I gotta add a little platform that this guy is gonna go on. Now I'm gonna choose a file, and that file. No, not that. No, 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 no. Replace. Choose a file. Yeah, I want to choose an actual file. I choose. No, not this. I guess from my desktop. Where is it? Spider-Man is gonna be my platform. For the example. for the example, Spider-Man, you're gonna be the thing I'm gonna be sitting on. No. Heck yeah! So now I'm gonna go to this thing and I'm gonna name it. Well, no, object name. Player 1. That's the easiest thing. And I already made him a platformer object. Gravity, whatever. Yeah. Now apply that. Now I go to this guy and I make a behavior called platform. I already have that because I used it before. Apply, and then I preview. Couldn't, I guess, good for now. Good for now. At least we know that he works. Now I'm gonna add a new behavior called platformer. It is not good, dude. Keep going. Platformer character animator. This is the thing I'm looking for. So I just need this. Basically, his run animation is gonna be sprite 1, I think. Apply. But no, his name is player 1. I forgot I changed it. No, new sprite. His name is new sprite. New sprite. Apply, and now he should look like something else. Oh no, wait, I forgot that when you're animating him like this, he has to always be first. He needs to be a few pixels this way, and he has to be like facing, the character has to always be facing this way. So yeah. Bro, what? What the hell? Yo, what? What the hell happened? What happened? I can recover it. Like, I think I can recover it. I lost half my IQ watching you do this. What? Why? This is how I recover it. At least I remember, like, all the choices I made. Uh, this is why oh my god, I swear to God, I'm not even joking. I thought of making a recovery, like, halfway through it. But I was like, you know what? How the heck am I gonna lose it anyway? If I do, like, how would it happen anyway? So I literally just said it would probably not happen. And just left it alone. And now I regret doing that. The top corner pixels, what? What do you mean top corner pixels? This thing? What? Also remove the top corner pixels. Okay. But you said you've made games. What did you mean by that? Like when did you make a game and like did you publish it? I'm not asking too many questions. Am I not? Like, I don't like the animation would look really weird if he's looking half this way, half like to the left. I think that would look a little too weird. So my idea is that he literally like basically all of his face is turned that way. Almost all of it. I don't know why I feel like that would look better, but I just don't like the fact that he's he's so like corner moving. Like he's moving diagonally. Like when I imagine him moving, I imagine him moving this way instead of moving this way. So yeah, I've made games. They were for college projects, and they were just survival Terraria kind of games. I I've also made some mods. Wait a second. How old are you? Are you in college? Wait, you just said you were in college, but wait, how old are you still? Hmm. I should make smaller eyes now. Wait, bro, the forehead looks massive, bro. Okay. Whatever you say, I guess. I don't want to really like tempt you into it, or let alone talk about it at all. I forget what shade of purple I use. A rectangle going up. That's actually a really good idea. So like maybe starting here, ending here. I don't know, something like that looks. One, two, three, one, two. That is not even. Like this, maybe four, three wide, or two wide and three up. I mean, this is one, two, three wide, and then you said four up. One, two, three, four. That's way too much. I was not paying attention to chat. I guess this much looks good anyway. Make the forehead shorter. Yeah, good idea. Oh, sure, I'm using the wrong tool. I keep mistaking these tools for each other. Yeah, but now he looks like just a side rectangle. I want to make it even, so I'm gonna remove some of this too. Yeah, now he looks like a square. Wait, did we just make him smaller? I think I just made him just smaller instead. Not that short. This. I don't. Yeah, maybe one more pixel. Like that. I guess that looks pretty better. Pretty good, I guess. Okay, so for the coat, all I'm gonna do is just make a triangle that just ends here. So, bam, bam, bam. Oh, and then I'm just gonna bring out this thing and just. I can't believe I'm putting this much effort into probably gonna be not the like end result. But hey, you gotta, well, you gotta make examples to do the real thing. I don't know how to make my own quotes. I have no idea how to do that, so don't come to me when you want quotes. And I should probably not make the same mistake of making him facing the wrong way. Okay, now let's see if it finally works out. The problem is when look. Actually, that's pretty smooth turning though. Yeah, I actually like that, not gonna lie. I actually like this kind of. The darker the sky is, the brighter the stars are. The darker the sky, the darker the sky is, the brighter the stars are. Sometimes I like the darker the sky is, the brighter stars are. But I don't know why I don't stop here. I continue and then I stop here and then I continue here because that's where my breath ends. So it's kind of weird. So I don't know if you know this. You probably do by now, actually. I'm Muslim, so I have to pray sometimes. Well, actually, all the times, every 5 times a day. So, if you don't mind me, I'm gonna be going to pray. I come back in like 2 or 3 minutes. I do not know how to type using a mouse. Wait, you're Muslim too? Oh, I did not know that. Prayer. Good enough. Okay, I'm back. Your your spell. Okay, I didn't read that wrong. You spelt it wrong, so I get a point for that. You spelled prayer wrong. There you go. Happy? I wanted to I didn't wanna waste my time on here. My grandma my grandma I get my point back. My grammar is horrible. Well, I guess that's good for me because that proves that I'm not like the guy that's reading wrong. I do read wrong most of the time. I'm gonna be for real. Okay, I just realized this is more to the front than this is to the back. So it kind of actually looks like that I'm like My head is like to the back and my body is doing like a weird shape. I don't know, but I don't like that. It looks weird. So I'm gonna fix it. Dude, no one in my country speaks English, let alone good at it. Me neither, bro. Like I swear to God, I go to everyone in my school, and they're like, name I am, and then just like is Mono, and like, what are you talking about, bro? And then I'm the only one there that, let alone like at all knows how to say hi. Like I say, oh, let's say, what's your name? And then they're like, oh, I'm fine. And I'm like, bro, what are they say I'm fine when I ask them for their name. And then that reminds me that I'm the only person that knows English in my country. And then like the only people that ever know English are maybe like my teachers. And that's basically it. And they even don't really know how to speak English as well. Their grammar is horrible. I'm just going to say that. My teacher's grammar is horrible, but like for me, it's not that bad. They train off of grammar, so that I might be wrong. You're wrong. You don't say hi. You say greetings, my scrumptious little gangling, ganglion. I don't know if I ran, if I even though my English is good, I still stutter if I'm reading too fast. So, yeah. I guess that's a point gone for me. I'm making really little changes. Oh my god, what am I doing right now? I'm trying to make up oh no, too much. Because I have this whole thing to have to do, so. Like that. Oh no, that's a little too much. You know what? I'm gonna double it down. You know what? Triple. No, wait, what the heck? Okay, before I forget to save it later, this is my save just in case point. Just in case something goes wrong. That was the greatest idea I've had yet. What's the darkest one here? Yay! It works! Close enough, okay. Okay. Bro, you just greatest idea aside from quitting. Bro, that's a little hard for me. Okay. New animation called running. This is this is the animation of me running. So there we go. Now, here's my idea on how to make this better. I'm gonna take this big fat chunk And I'm gonna make it more. And I'm gonna bring it a little bit this way. Then I'm gonna fill in. I'm gonna fill this in. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out my eraser, and then I'm gonna. No, wait. Now I'm not gonna use this. These are not legs. These are gonna go up and down, up and down, up and down. Cause I don't want the coat to go under. Cause that would look pretty bad. So now this is the first frame. The second. Oh my god, I hate this so much. It makes me so. Makes me so annoyed in the corner of the screen. But thankfully that's gonna go away in a few seconds. Basically, I'm gonna. What the heck am I doing? Why did I do that? I should probably just duplicate. Yeah, and then I take this and I make it a little bit more down. So now he's running like this, you know? And then to make it even better, his coat is gonna go up 1 pixel. That's gonna even give it more depth. Oh, this does not look good. What am I doing? I can't. What does this do? Shift index backwards. This is not darkening anything. Okay, I don't care. No, what am I doing? I think I should add an in between. Up, down, up, up. Wait, no. Up, down, up. You finally sent a message. It actually looks more like he's dancing than he's actually running. Yeah, I know, but I'm working on that, okay? One. So up, down, up, down, up. The problem is, for some reason, it looks like he's like doing it 2 times and then going back. Oh, because this and this are both up. So this has to be. Hmm. So how does a down person look like again? Oh, he just acts. Okay. So I think I know how to make this guy. Bam. And then just bring out the eraser. I know what this thing means. Basically every like I don't know, 20 minutes of animating or drawing, this black screen pops up and this black screen just happens and it doesn't stop. And I can't do anything. I can't save file. Even this is save file for this whole project. So it won't matter if I do this because I tried it before. So all I can do is just restart. And I hate that glitch so much. Yet it happens to me way too much. And you know what I'm gonna do about it? I actually don't know what what I'm gonna do. Actually, I learned my lesson. Save every 5 minutes. That's my lesson. And that's how I learned it. Have you ever used gdevelop before? Just like a question. Or did you never because in your classes it was like coding classes? Because I imagine if it's coding classes, they wouldn't let you like use a software that doesn't need you to code. No, I've never. Okay. Makes sense. I don't really want to get too like I want to learn a little bit of coding, like maybe some of languages, but so far the only language of coding is freaking Minecraft command blocks and that's it. So, I'm screwed probably. Mainly because I've seen better places to make games. Wait, this is O, right? I'm just gonna press O next time, I guess. More related to enchant table language. To be honest, imagining that myself, like it actually kind of makes sense that it would be with enchant table language. That's a backup saved. Okay. Let's see how this. Oh wait, I didn't. I didn't put this in the animator. I just remembered. I need to go to behaviors. Okay. Running. Wait, no, not capital. Running. Apply. Wait, is it called running? Yeah, it is. Oh shoot, I spelled it wrong. Apply. Okay, let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, I didn't set it to loop. I keep forgetting to do that every time I use this. Loop. Oh. Wait a second. In the behaviors, does it give me an option to enable animation changes? Apply. Okay. I know how to fix this. No worries. I'm a professional events guy. So the condition, how to do this is, the condition is if I release, so key released, if I release the key released, any key released, actually key release, because I don't want to like release up and it stops my animation even though it doesn't do anything. Key released is gonna be, let's say, for example, right. And so when I release the right key on the like arrows keys, basically the action, you should change it from running to fleet of foot. Old poetic way to describe someone running. No. I don't want to have to type that every time I need to explain what that animation is or something. I don't know. Basically, it's gonna pause the animation. Actually, it's gonna start the animation, new sprite, because that one is standing still. Okay. So now, if I were while running right to stop, it stops the animation completely. But I haven't added a way to make it to the right key. Now, here's another thing. I'm gonna have to take this again. Control C, save. I'm gonna name this idle to the right. That's its name. I'm gonna make a new animation and call it idle to the left. And then I'm gonna Control V and oh, nope, bam, yeah, save. It's important to do this or else it will just keep flipping me to the right every time I stop walking. Yeah, and then I do another thing, and it's the same thing, key released, and then I'm gonna make it so if the left key is released, it's gonna change the animation of me, Mono, well, player one, I don't know, the animation is gonna be idle to the left, because I released the left key, and then, yeah, that's how it works. So now, if I'm going this way, I'll stop, and then if I'm going this way, I'm sorry, what? This is idling to the left. Oh, this is the wrong direction. Because this is opposite. Well, I hope this doesn't break anything. I might as well have not done it then. Well, I mean... Oh, it does work like that. Okay, I actually expected it to not work when I do that. Okay, so it works now. He's periodically moonwalks for a second. To be honest, I don't know what you're talking about, but I'm expecting that it's funny because moonwalk, I guess. I don't know. I might as well make this a little high. Actually, you know what? Never mind. Whoa, what? I already knew it does that. I don't know why I acted like I didn't. Now, I want to change the scene. First, I want to center the camera to look on this guy. Because, well, of course I don't want it to look at, I don't want him to walk off screen, basically. I don't know what other way I can explain it. So I'm just going to example it. I'm going to do that. And then, so it's actually really easy. I just do this, behaviors. I add a behavior. And then I search up smooth platformer camera. I don't know. This is already a behavior of this type attached to the object. It is possible to add this behavior again, but it is usual and may not always be supported properly. Are you sure you want to add this behavior again? Again? What does it mean? Oh. Okay. Stop asking me. No, cancel. Oh yeah, because I clicked on it 500 times. So wait, if I move around, it will follow me? I didn't know. Yeah, it follows me. Let's go. And now if I jump, okay, now I want to make a jump animation, which would be pretty good. Jump. Jumping. I spelled jumping wrong. Jumping. Control V. And now, a jumping animation, it might make him a little more up. So basically I gotta take him and move him like maybe 2 or 3 pixels up. I don't think that's that big of a deal. It was O, right? Yeah. So I take this and then, oh, it's shift for that. Okay, that's good to know. Oh, you typed something in chat. Dude, do I look like a dumbass to you? I don't need explaining. Well, unless explaining the symptoms of an idea into your head. Okay. I'm gonna make him also kind of look down. So that would be good. Yeah. Wait. I'm imagining. Okay, yeah. I'm imagining like what when he's like going up, I think his eyes would go down. So like yeah, that would probably make more sense. How did you read Sementsrong? Kemensrong? What? Where? How do you read it? Am I reading it wrong? Wait, what? I actually don't know if cement is wrong. I guess I could make it so his legs finally kind of appear. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah. Well, you just now said it correctly. If I guess. Okay. I don't know why I'm gonna loop it. I have no reason to do that, but okay. Anyway, I'm gonna add an animation called falling. And for this animation, I'm actually gonna go to my running animation and wait, where's the thing where the scarf is the most like up? Oh yeah, right here. So yeah, I'm gonna copy this because the scarf is already animated to be up. Control C, save, and then I'm gonna go to falling and Control V. And then I'm also actually going to well, do this. One, wait, no. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. I spelled both of them wrong, didn't I? I did it, didn't I? Jumping. Jumping. I think it's a capital. I think it's the capital letter. So yeah, that's jumping, done. Falling. also think I didn't put the double L. No, I did, yeah. Okay. Now I know another condition event that can fix this. Basically, is touching ground on the ground. I think there's something like maybe character is on given platform. Is on floor, yeah. I guess I put ground instead of floor. Basically, when he's on a floor, the action is gonna be player animation by name idle to the right. So when he's on the floor, the animation doesn't play because this is here. So how do I fix that? When the player is on the floor, it plays this animation. Actually, instead, I can change this so when the animation is falling, it will change it. Because the glitch is that it's because he looks like he's falling when he jumps. So now, oh yeah, I have to also add the thing that he has to be on the floor. I'm just gonna search up floor because I'm pretty sure that's the only thing that has the name floor on it. I think that will fix it. Yo, this game is actually working out though. I don't know when I'm gonna add attacking. That's gonna be in the next devlog. But for now, I guess I could start making the map. I did not actually expect it to work out this much. Okay, now I'm gonna get rid of this like pretty bad flooring, and I'm gonna add a new object. Call it tile map. And then, you know what? I don't want to, like, even though I want to be original, for now, I'm going to pull out this thing. Importing project. So now, no, this is top-down terrain. I don't want top-down terrain. I just realized this is the wrong terrain. Bam. I think I actually already have one, though. I don't want to skip and create one from scratch. Choose a file. I'm pretty sure I actually have one, like on my desktop. I think I saved one before for a different project, but I might as well use it here too. Yeah, so I think it's 12 pixels. No, 28 pixels. No, too much. 27. A little less. Wait, how many? Wait. When I do this, that's 1, 2, 3 pixels. So minus 3, so that's 24. That's completely wrong. I think it's actually correct, but it's because of the placement. So that's exactly why I'm doing cancel. Cancel your changes. Replace. No. No, cancel completely. And then you know what? No, cancel, and then I'm gonna do a new one. And then I think one of these is top down. Yep. Actually this one looks better. I want it to be original. Oh no. Oh my god, the glitch. The glitch, bro. I hate when this happens so much. They think it's smaller than it actually is. How do I make it bigger? Tile size? No, that's just gonna make my mouse bigger and my selections bigger. Oh, dang it. I guess I can't use this one, I guess. You know what? I'll make my own. I'll make my own. I'll be a big boy today. Wait, AFK for 2 minutes. I guess I have to go to the bathroom. Amani Oasis, I think. I'm sorry if I wait, did I read your name right or wrong? I don't know. Wait, Pickle Doll, are you still here? Oh wait, there's a 10-second delay. I won't get a response until seconds later. Bruh. Okay. I want it to be like a dark, evil kind of color, if you know what I mean. Wait, chat can see it like each other, but I can't see it like immediately. But it's better because if I get my phone or like wait, if I pull up my own thing, like if I pull up myself watching myself real quick. So this is my other account. I should probably mute it. And then I scroll down. I can see it live. Like literally live. So if you guys send a message, it will appear at the same time as me, and I don't have to, well, it won't be as long of a delay. The delay won't be as long anymore. Oh shoot. Yeah, that sounds good. So now the delay is way less. Instead of 20 seconds, I think it's way more. But what am I doing? So I want it to be kind of like a creepy or like just a dark kind of theme, because I want to go for like kind of a creepy kind of green. Like I want it to look like cozy kind of dark, you know? Wait, Pickle Dot. Hello? Damn, bro left me. My almost only viewer. Well, pretty close to my only viewer. Because I barely get any. Credits to the people who are re-watching this right now and hearing me. Credits to you, man. Like, I'm only only speaking because I'm hoping that some people are like rewatching the stream right now, and that's the people that I'm talking to. So if there are any people, comment on this live stream after I'm done. Yeah, thanks. I'm kind of copying Minecraft now. Hey, fake it till you make it, am I right? Well, no, I'm not that right, but hey, I'm not that good at making these. I'm gonna have to take inspiration. It's a cube thing anyway, so it makes sense to copy Minecraft for their inspiration. I mean, I've seen a lot of people's art, the pixel art, looking like Minecraft because all of Minecraft is pixel art. So yeah, you can't be looking at me and saying I'm copying when there's way more people that's copying. The fact that I'm the one that made this, I don't know why, but it feels cool. It's probably really not, but hey, I gotta feel better about myself if I'm making something that isn't really that good. Oh my god, it's so small! Bro! That's a bad thing, by the way. Because I can't make it bigger. Oh my god. Oh my god. And well, I had to do it to make it even. Uh I feel, oh my god, the satisfaction. Like, it's satisfying, but still it's sad. Well, for me. Wait, what about the colors? Wait, bring it back. Yeah, because I need the colors. First of all, I'm going to take this, fine, thank you. And I'm going to put it here. Right here. If I want to use that color later. And now I'm probably gonna need you. I'm gonna put you under her. And then I'm gonna also take you, because you're a little darker and I'll also need that. And I will also finally be taking the brown. So you, and then you, and I guess you. Now I will be erasing you. Oh my god, the satisfaction. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna make this way more satisfying. First, I don't want these to be that big. So, please, I will need you to be there, here. And now I want to actually draw this how I would normally do it. Random lines, baby. That's how you draw grass in this well, pixel art game developing software. Game engine, I guess. The grass looks good. Okay, thank you, bro. Wait, you're still here. Now it doesn't. What do you mean, like then now that I added more of the dark color? Or do you mean now that I'm making it less pixelated? I should get a response a bit more early. Now that I've fixed the problem of the delay. Now that you added all the other colors because you can't tell what it is. Do you mean I should like remove this dark color? I have this tool, which is pretty cool. Do you mean like this? Might as well I mean, actually, let's not continue just in case you say like what. Well, what you know what? Never mind. No, the light colors. So I should keep the dark colors? So do you mean it's better with the dark colors or better with the light colors? Wait. Hear me out. Don't add too much darkness or too much lightness. I don't understand which thing you want. It's good with all colors. Okay. So don't add too much colors. Okay, there's only 3 colors, so it's not that bad, I don't think. No, just too many lines. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna fill in these little gaps and I'm done. Okay, now all I need to do, I'm just gonna need to fill in with this, and then with this, I'm gonna pull out my pencil. This is genuine looks like vomit. Well, not anymore. After I added the dirt. Well, I hope it doesn't. What about now? Does it look like vomit? Correct. Now it's diarrhea. What am I supposed to do? Grass is brown and green. Like this is how you draw grass. And it's barely, the texture isn't gonna, like, it's gonna be barely visible. Like watch, like, look at this, bro. Look at this real quick. Like, if I bring this, oh my god. Why is it so small? Oh my god. Why is it so small? No, wait, what if I make myself a little bit smaller? Well, what about like this? What happens if you zoom in a little? Oh. Wait. That was my bad. Oh, I forgot to add the platform behavior. Where's the platform behavior? Yep. Okay, now let's test it. That looks like grass, bro. That looks like grass to me. Wait, I should actually take this guy, edit player 1, and basically, actually no, not edit player 1. I'm gonna go to resources, which is a better place to do this than freaking go into its actual thing. I'm gonna go to new sprite, and then just like I did last time, I'm gonna unsmooth the image of all these to make it not blurry. Okay, there we go. Now, if you play it, I'm gonna go now. Oh, okay, bye, I guess. It's night for me. Oh yeah, you're an hour ahead. Okay, bye, I guess. See ya. And actually, also, it's night for me too. 9 p.m. and 10 minutes, as you can see. So, I think I should go now. Adios, bro. I think I should go now because streaming and doing this isn't my life. I've been doing this for at least 3 hours, maybe, or 2. So, I guess bye, guys. Or bye, Pickled Hut, I guess. And see you in the next devlog stream. Bye.